It is my favorite cake because it is similar to the suji halwa back in my hometown, and it is easier to prepare and can store up to 3 days, which is perfect for buka puasa. Selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri. My name is Rashida and I'm stay-at-home mom and also a certified pastry chef. Singapore has been home for me since 1997, and that's more than 21 years now. And yes, Hari Raya Idul Fitri is major occasion in our calendar, and we make every effort to celebrate it with family and friends. And of course, in Singapore, friends make up for my family back in India. The atmosphere in the mosque is really fantastic. It gives me the feeling of being amongst the family, as other members from the community also visit the mosque. This feels like home. I make it a point to make my recipe healthier, so what I am about to do in this recipe is to replace some of my sugar with Ribena blackcurrant cordial. It is a perfect replacement for sugar and it gives it a fruity note to my cake. Oh yes, don't forget to line the parchment paper in the cake mold before pouring the batter. You would want your cake to fall off the mold nicely after the baking, isn't it? Now for the last step. I will need to prepare the sweet syrup, as the cake would be soaked in it. When that is done, I will place the cake at room temperature and let it soak all the flavors for at least 3 to 4 hours before serving it. For the syrup, I am using Ribena to replace some of the sugar, so it is sweet and good to have during this long period of fasting. Sharing my special creation this year, Semolina Cake. Smelling this right now makes me think of home. Wishing everyone Selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri.